Hi, I'm Ree from mummyoffour.com. Welcome back to my channel. I help busy mums make their lives easier with parenting tips, tricks, hacks and advice. Today I am decluttering my own wardrobe. This is something that has needed doing for quite some time now, and I'm going to be using the Marie Kondo method, the Konmari method of sorting, organising and folding my clothing. So this is the first time that I have done this, especially with the folding element of it. I've done the organising and the decluttering side of it before, but the only way I've folded the clothes is for packing a case, and I really liked it. So I'm now going to apply that to the rest of my wardrobe, and hopefully that will create a lot more space and a lot more order, which will be quite nice. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe and hit the bell to be notified when I post more videos every single week. And without further ado, let's get on with it. As you can see, my wardrobe is a bit of a mess, in spite of the fact I do this periodically, probably every 6 months or so. I did actually used to have 3 wardrobes this size, and I managed to scale it down a few years ago to just the one, by kind of being quite ruthless and just thinking, look, do I really love this? And just like Marie Kondo tells us to do, but does it spark joy? Just think, am I going to wear this today? Would I wear this today? And if you think no, because it's just not nice enough, we've gone off or it doesn't fit right, get rid of it. So then as I find the things I'm going to keep, I hang them back neatly in the wardrobe. I like to hang my clothes in rainbow order. I find it's nice and easy to find things. I know some people like to organise skirts together, tops together. I personally like to organise by colour, and then I know what I've got, what goes with what, and I can find things easily. Now, as you can see, my drawers are not currently folded the Marie Kondo way at all, so I'm going to pull all this stuff out, go through it, and oh, but look at my clothes in the rainbow, aren't they nice? Anyway, I've now decided, because I've made a bit more space, I'm going to hang up the skirts because I find they get a bit creased if I fold them, and then my jeans and things are going to be refolded Marie Kondo style, which, look how much more space. I know I've got rid of a few pairs, but I've literally got sort of twice the space folding this method. So yeah, I've now got, I've emptied out my workout clothes from the bottom drawer, which are sadly underused, very sadly underused and underloved, because I've not been working out much lately, don't tell anyone. Anyway, so I'm folding it all neatly. This was literally slung in this. My workout clothes were not even folded. My bras, I'm just sort of tidying those back up, throwing out a few old scabby ones. And yeah, I know they're not in rainbow order, but I was very aware that the girls were about to wake up from their nap. Anyway, bags are going into like some nice boxes, and I found a whole box of scarves which were just crumpled up, and now I've got all this extra space in my drawers from the super duper folding. I'm folding the scarves too, so I can actually find them, and maybe I'll wear them a little bit more because I can actually see them. And that's it. My wardrobe is now organised, and you have no idea how much happier it makes me. I'll be able to find things I want to wear. I find less is a bit more with clothing. Once you've got rid of the stuff you don't like, you feel like you've got more clothing because everything you do like and you could actually wear. I've got my bags in these little boxes underneath, so they're all nice and neat. My underwear is a little bit neater too. This drawer makes me very happy. I've got my trousers and things. There's so much more space, and all my scarves and underused workout gear. And this is my pile of stuff that did not spark joy that is ready to donate. That's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. If you have liked this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell to be notified when I post new videos every single week. See you again soon. Bye.